Disclaimer. The information shared in this podcast is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting, changing, or stopping any peptide, supplement, or therapy. Welcome back to another episode in our peptide and bioregulator education series. Today we are going to dive into a fascinating peptide called Vesugen. Like other short peptides studied in Russia and Eastern Europe, Vesugen belongs to the family of peptide bioregulators. These are tiny molecules that can help restore normal cellular and organ function by working at the level of gene expression. Vesugen is particularly associated with vascular and circulatory health. By the end of this episode, you will have a clearer picture of what Vesugen is, how it works, and what makes it interesting for health and longevity. So, what exactly is Vesugen? Vesugen is a synthetic short peptide bioregulator developed to support and restore the health of the vascular system. It is derived from natural peptides found in the body and designed to target blood vessels and vascular tissue at the cellular level. Its name comes from its role in vascular health. The main idea behind Vesugen, like other bioregulators, is to normalize the function of specific tissues. In this case, it works on the vascular endothelium, which is the inner lining of blood vessels. Vesugen's small peptide sequence is able to influence the activity of these cells in a very precise way. Now, what does Vesugen affect? Its primary target is the vascular system, but because circulation influences nearly every aspect of health, its potential effects are broad. Vesugen may promote the repair of damaged blood vessels and help maintain their elasticity and function. By acting on the endothelium, Vesugen helps regulate blood flow, clotting, and inflammation. Improved vascular health can enhance circulation, ensuring better delivery of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Healthy blood vessels are also critical for longevity, which is why Vesugen's role in preserving vascular function has attracted interest in anti-aging medicine. Poor vascular health is linked to conditions such as hypertension, atherosclerosis, heart disease, and stroke. By supporting vascular resilience, Vesugen may offer preventive benefits. Because blood flow influences healing, Vesugen may also indirectly aid in tissue repair and recovery from injury. How does Vesugen work? Like other peptide bioregulators, it is believed to act at the genomic level. Once inside cells, Vesugen binds to specific regions of DNA and influences gene expression. This process restores normal protein synthesis within vascular cells, allowing them to function properly even after age-related decline or damage. By helping endothelial cells repair themselves and produce the right proteins, Vesugen normalizes vascular function. Rather than forcing a specific outcome, it works gently to re-establish balance within the system. What about medical uses and research? Vesugen has been studied mainly in Russia and Eastern Europe, where peptide bioregulators have a long history of application. Some areas where it has been investigated include supporting recovery after heart attack or vascular injury, helping improve vessel elasticity and reduce plaque buildup in hypertension and atherosclerosis, enhancing circulation and brain blood flow during stroke rehabilitation, preventing vascular decline in aging populations, and maintaining vascular health for general preventive care. When it comes to risks and side effects, Vesugen is generally reported to be safe and well tolerated in the studies available. Side effects are rare and usually limited to mild injection site reactions or temporary fatigue. However, since much of the research is region-specific and not yet widespread in Western medicine, more studies are needed to fully confirm its safety and long-term effects. As with all peptides, professional supervision is recommended. Disclaimer: this podcast is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting, changing, or discontinuing any treatment. That wraps up today's episode on Vesugen. If you found this deep dive informative, be sure to subscribe for more explorations into peptides, bioregulators, and the science of health optimization. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.